Hello. So it's Saturday, and I actually have a couple hours of free time this morning until like 1 o'clock. So I'm going to go get my nails done because, well, I got my nails done like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, it was 2 weeks ago. And all of the gel peeled, well, I peeled it off. It didn't peel off, but I broke like 2 nails. And if you get a gel manicure, you know that like as soon as you break a nail, the gel will just start to like, you know, lift. And I can't resist, so I just ended up peeling all 10 nails. I was like, ugh. So now they look really disgusting, but I think I'm going to just get acrylics and cut my nails, because my nails grow really nicely, but they don't grow this like in the same shape. And I always end up breaking like 2 or 3 and ruins it for the other, like, you know, 8 to 7 nails. So I'm just like, screw it. So I'm just going to cut them and then grow some acrylics, get some acrylics put on, which I haven't got acrylics in so long. So we'll see. But I just want my nails to look really nice. So I only, like I said, I have a couple hours to do like whatever I want. So I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm going to record a video, and then I'm pretty sure by the time that's all done, my kids are coming back home, and then we are going to a park, because one of Jada's friends from school, like her best friend, her mom texted me like a couple days ago and was like, hey, let's get together this Saturday. So I was like, okay, cool. And I actually texted her this morning because I'm laying in bed and it's like 7:30 or 8 o'clock, and I'm like, man, like, I don't even have like dark curtains. My curtains in my room are like sheer. So I was like, I don't even see the sun. So I look at, you know, the weather app on my phone, and the first thing I saw was like lightning bolts. I was like, oh my God, like we're gonna have to cancel it because we're going to like a fountain park. So it's gonna be water. And anyways, like if it was gonna be lightning and thundering, obviously we're not taking the kids to the park. That would just be idiotic. But that was for like tomorrow and Monday and stuff. It's supposed to be like lightning and thundering. So I scrolled to like 2 o'clock because that's supposed to be the time that we're gonna meet, and it just says cloudy. So I took a screenshot and I texted to her, because obviously we don't get in the water, like it's, you know, like the fountains. So her and I are always like burning up, damn near dying of heat stroke, because we're just sitting there, like there's no shade or anything at this park, at like the benches or whatever for the parents. So I texted it to her, and I was like, oh look, you and I aren't gonna die of a heat stroke today because it's cloudy. And what the hell? Why is there a moth in here? What? Get out. Get out. I don't know where you went, but you need to get out. Oh my God. So I don't know if I told you this, but it is like 9:15 in the morning, and I was like, I'm gonna be productive because I have things that I want to do. So I was thinking that I'm getting to the nail salon real freaking early. Here I am, and there's like the parking lot's full. Ugh. Okay, so I just left the nail salon, and it's like 10:40, which isn't that bad. I can't remember what time I actually got there. It was maybe like 9:15. I think I waited maybe half an hour, which wasn't that bad because the chairs were full. Like I walked in there and I was like, OMG, I didn't have a stop sign, lady. You did. Hello. Hey guys, so it is 1:26 in the morning. So technically it is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to anybody who's watching. I just got done recording a video on this makeup look that I'm gonna go wash off in like 2 seconds because I'm obviously not going to sleep in it. That is a recipe for disaster. Yeah, I just finished like taking down all like the equipment and stuff, but I'm not going to sleep in my bed tonight because John is a really light sleeper, and he has to wake up at like 4:30 in the morning to go to work. So I'm just gonna sleep on the couch, which I actually don't mind because I sleep on couches a lot. Not couches, I sleep on my couch a lot. I don't know why, like I've always done that. I don't even remember, like, well, it started with when I like first moved out and I got like my first apartment. I just used to like sleeping on the couch. I don't know, I watch TV and I chill, and then I just don't feel like going to bed. So yeah, I'm probably gonna sleep on the couch tonight and just chill out here. So yeah. So yeah, the kids and I did end up having a play date today with their friend at the park, and it was really awesome. I didn't want to bring my camera, and I was going to record a little bit on my phone, but to be honest, I just forgot because the girl's mom and I were talking because we haven't really seen each other in a while. We haven't had very many play dates lately. I think the last time I actually saw them was Jada's birthday party, which is the end of March. So we were just like catching up or whatever, and there were 2 birthday parties at the park too, so it was like a bunch of kids. So it was like I wasn't trying to take a video, you know, and like have all these other kids in there. I've been up since 5 o'clock in the morning, so if it's 1:30, 5 o'clock is in 3.5 hours. So I've been up 20, I don't know. I don't know why I'm trying to figure that out. I've been up almost 24 hours. So I'm going to go wash my face, make myself comfortable on the couch, probably get a snack because I can't go to bed without eating something first. And then I will see you guys tomorrow on Mother's Day.
Is that oil?
Yeah.
Ooh. To make it greasy and slimy?
No, it cooks it.
And then I can eat it. What? I'm hiding. Daddy, look where I'm hiding. We could have hid in your room or hid behind Mama.
Hey.
Ow.
Good, how are you?
That smells good.
Good.
Did you put honey in that thing?
No.
Oh.
Remember that one was good? We got the 2-liter
Of what?
ginger ale and lemonade.
Was it this?
Yeah. There, now you have a canned drink.
And they fit so good in the fridge. Much better than the bottles.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Orange bubbly. Some cookies. I want cookies. Are they gonna have? Ooh. Ooh, yeah, let's get potato buns. Do you think they meant to say Breyers instead of
no,
dryers?
Ice cream is dry. That's why it's dry ice cream.
Like your humor.
Dry ice.
Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I vlogged. It's actually been like an entire week. But last week really wasn't all that exciting. Obviously I worked, and then like in the middle of the week I started to not feel so good, and then yesterday was like the worst day. I felt like crap. Like I felt like I had a fever, my throat has been scratchy, and I'm kind of stuffy. So I actually came home early from work, and I slept from like 6 p.m. to like 3:30 in the morning, fell back asleep at like 4:30, and then woke up at I think 9. And it's been like a really cloudy, super rainy day. Like we just got like a really bad, not really bad, but we had like a thunderstorm with a bunch of lightning, like a ton of rain or whatever for the past couple hours. But we did clean this morning. We ran a couple errands, and now it's about 7:30, and we're going to have dinner. And I'm kind of excited because we're going to have Beyond Burgers. I've never had them before. Johnny thinks they're turkey burgers, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm going to cook dinner, and hopefully it's good. Yeah. So yeah, this is what they look like. The lighting's pretty crappy, but like I said, it's really gloomy outside. But first, I'm actually... I like grilled onions, so I'm gonna cut up an onion and saute that in a pan to put on top of my Beyond Burger. I'm really excited to try these. Yeah, I'm really excited. And then I'm really mad because I had corn on the cob, but it's not good because I didn't eat it fast enough. So I'm just gonna make myself some Brussels sprouts to go with it. Brussels sprouts? Yeah. The onion did not bother me until I put it in the pan. And my eyes are watering. Oh, I hate this. Ooh. Do you want any onions for your burger? Bagger.
A bagger?
Do you want any onions for your burger?
For my bagger? Yeah, please.
Okay.
A bagger. Cheese bagger?
Cheese bagger.
Make you see. Make you see.
Where's the turtle? Aw, he's fast. I thought it looks like he's trimming the grass. But the grass is like staying down a little.
I have realized.
Read that for me, Jada.
Scholarship collect $20,000.
Awesome.
Bam. All right, you're up, Jada.
All right, now your turn.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's your space say?
Part-time job collect $10,000.
Good job. Put it with your money.
Okay. Oh, I'm about to get paid. Two. Payday and that. I don't know what it says.
Read that, Jada.
Adopt a pet from animal shelter.
Let's go, man.
What?
There's pictures out here you're not.
Oh.
familiar with.
And they're gonna get in the house.
That's why we need to go.
Ah!